Google is going to launch Pixel 10 Pro as the successor to its Pixel 9 Pro. After getting this phone, you will forget iPhone and Samsung. According to online leaks, this phone is going to give you Google's most powerful processor, Tensor G5 processor. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of Google Pixel 10 Pro. So let's start. Features of Google Pixel 10 Pro. In the Pixel 10 Pro smartphone, you are going to get a 6.45-inch LTPO OLED display, which is equipped with 120 Hz refresh rate, 3500 nits peak brightness, HDR10+, and 486 ppi pixel density. Apart from this, the smartphone also has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection and in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. In Pixel 10 Pro, you get a triple rear camera setup, which is equipped with a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 48-megapixel telephoto camera, with 50x zoom. Apart from this, for selfie, it can be provided with a 32-megapixel camera with autofocus. Apart from this, with this model you can do 8K video recording at 30 FPS. Processor. Talking about the processor, the company can use in-house Tensor G5 processor, with Titan M3 chipset will be provided for security. And Android 15 will be seen as the operating system. Battery backup. In Pixel 10 Pro you will get to see a powerful battery of 4700 mAh. Apart from this, to charge the phone faster, Qi 55 wired fast charging, and 30-watt wireless charging support will be available, which will come with Type-C Gen 2 charging socket. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, according to leaks its price is expected to be around $900. And if we talk about the launch date, then it can be introduced in August 2025.